Silence stirs in the falling snow, a frozen kingdom where no sunlight glows. Shadows linger, tales left untold, in the heart of winter and the chill so bold. Echoes clash like warriors on a field, the memories collide, their fates are sealed. Underneath the ice, secrets lie as the battlefield awakens with a sigh. In this blizzard, we're fighting for our souls, hearts of fire. Where the tempest rolls, the hearts of lions, the grit of stone in the frost-painted air. We stand alone, race along lost battles rise, specters of valor beneath gray skies. Lightning strikes through the blinding light, we forge our destiny, igniting the night. Voices of the ancient, they call our name. In the snow and silence we ignite the flame. Through every step, through every scar, we'll carve a path, whatever the cost, no star too far. In this blizzard, we're fighting for our souls, hearts of fire. Where the tempest rolls, the hearts of lions, the grit of stone in the frost-painted air. We stand alone. In this blizzard, we're fighting for our souls, words of fire. Where the tempest rolls, the hearts of lions, the grit of stone in the frost-painted air. We stand alone. As the snow falls, soft peace starts to mend. In the wake of the war, we find the end. Together we've battled through the raging storm. Amid the blizzard's heart, our spirits born. As the snow falls soft, peace starts to mend. In the wake of the war, we find the end. Together we've battled through the raging storm. Amid the blizzard's heart, our spirits born.